Hi everyone, I am Pragati Chaparasar. I am from Hooghly Mohsin College and I am legal intern of LexClick company. My topic is Twitter losing their immunity because they were not following the IT rule 2021. So it is a duty. If any rule is made, it should be followed by everyone. It is a law of land, and at first the Google, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn, there are many social media accounts who is not ready to follow the IT rule 2021. But after so many argument and so many things, they are ready to follow it, but Twitter has not complying the rule. The center on Monday, 5th July, told the Delhi High Court that Twitter has not complied the IT rule 2021 on Thursday, 1st July. Leading to the lose their immunity as an intermediaries. According to the IANS in short affidavit, the Minister of Electronic Information Technology said that if any rule is made, then it is a law of land and everyone should follow this. And Twitter has not complied this, leading to losing their immunity conferred under Section 79(1) of the IT Rule 2000. 79 subsection 1 is a conditional immunity subject to the intermediary satisfying the condition under section 79(2) and subsection 79 subsection 2 and 79 subsection 3. As provided in the rule, failure to the observe of IT Rule 2021 result in the provision section 79 subsection 1 of the IT Act 2000 not been applicable to such intermediaries, added the affidavit according to the INS. So according to the government, Twitter has failed to comply the 4 count. Number 1 is no chief compliance officer has been appointed. Number 2, the position of the resident grievance of the nodal contact is vacant. Number 3, the position of resident grievance officer is vacant. And number 4, the physical contact address which is given by the Twitter is not available on the Twitter website. So a loss of intermediary status make the Twitter liable for criminal action in case of complaints. On Saturday, 3rd July, Twitter has submitted an affidavit before the Delhi High Court stating that it will soon appointing an interim resident grievance officer as were mandated by the new information IT technology rules. In its affidavit, social media giant informed that court that it is a final stage of finding the replacement for person who withdrew his candidature last month. In the interim, the grievance from India were being handled by the person situated in US, which amount for non-compliance with the IT Rule 2021. So as per the rule for the new IT rules, significant social media enterprises are required to appoint the chief compliance officer, a nodal officer, and a grievance officer, all whom are required to be the resident of India. So everyone should follow the rule, IT Rule 2021. If any rule is made, that is a law of land, and it is made for restriction of any unlawful activity, and Twitter failed to comply the rule, and if anyone lose the so it is chance for losing their immunity as intermediaries. Thank you.